Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Off the day at Nordic, pulled those valves out of that head, the one that had the burnt valve. Then I'm over here now with James replacing the water pump because the water pump was leaking. 20 years old, if you could see in there, it was starting to scrape inside the housing. Wasn't going to last much longer. Got everything cleaned up down there. Going to put in the water pump, change the thermostat, change the temp sensor, and see what else needs to be done real quick. Maybe a couple of vacuum hoses. Call it a day. Water pump from FCP, and somebody broke the gasket. Hopefully that won't cause a leak. I guess we'll be the first to find out. Got it all back together. Cooling in, bolt in the timing belt cover. Those lines was chafing down there. Got those repositioned. Cover on, timing dead on. Started the car, run smooth. Gonna go have lunch. Now James has 3 different wheels on his car. Those are like T5 wheels from a 99. These, I don't know what those are from. Then he's got a wheel over here from an 850. At least the 2 back wheels are the same. So he needs to get 2 more of those. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.